Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Do you all see the screen right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the relationships, right? So for this C, what happens is her husband's sister becomes sister-in-law. Similarly, for this sister, her brother's wife becomes sister-in-law. Similarly for the boys. So for him, his wife's brother, and she has two. So F is one and L is two. So these brothers of C are his brother-in-laws, and for them, their sister's husband is brother-in-law. So through marriage, we get brother-in-law and sister-in-law. Similarly, for N's parents, C is the daughter-in-law, DIL, and for C, O becomes the mother-in-law. The father-in-law is the male of the family. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so if I were to ask one of you, who is P's father-in-law? Not P's father, P's father-in-law.
M.
M. Okay, who is N's father-in-law? N's father-in-law.
A.
Good.
A.
And mother-in-law will be E. Okay, so father-in-law and mother-in-law comes through marriage. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law through marriage. And nephew and nieces, let's look at that relationship. For C, her brother's son is J. He is the nephew. Okay, and for him, she is his father's sister. So this is the aunt. For F, G is the nephew and S is the niece. And for them, he is the uncle. And B, through marriage, becomes aunt for these two guys. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to, okay, now it works. Let's look at an example. Typical exam problem. Okay, this is how it looks. Mooni is the daughter of Sheila. So we have, from the name Mooni, I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but as soon as they say daughter, I can say Mooni is the gender is that of a female, correct? She's the daughter of Sheila. Sheila, the name indicates it's a woman. Is this clear to everyone, this first part? How I got the
Yes, ma'am.
gender? Okay. Now Sheila is the wife. So she's the wife of someone, okay? Now the speaker says she's the wife of my wife's brother. So there's a whole different relationship of the speaker. So I am here, I have a wife, and Sheila is the wife of this man who is actually related to my wife. He's the brother of my wife. Is this clear how we did this? Sheila is the wife of my wife's brother. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how is Mooni, this girl, related to my wife? Mooni's father's sister. What is the relationship?
She's the niece of Moni.
Who is the
Sorry, she's the
niece?
niece.
She
Moni
is
is
the
the
niece.
niece.
Yes, for this lady, right? Everyone agrees?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the relationship. My drawing was the other way around, but it doesn't matter. Here Mooni comes here, Sheila is here. This is the speaker, my wife, wife's brother, and so on. Okay. So how is Mooni related to my wife? Niece. And how is my wife related to Mooni?
Aunt.
Aunt. Everyone clear on this? Next problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at this problem. Pointing to a man in a photograph. Okay, so typically when this question starts like this, it's good to start with whoever is in the photograph. So we'll put the man here.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Pointing to the man in the photograph, a woman is talking. Okay, the speaker's gender is very important. The woman says, he is the only son. So we have one generation coming here. He is the only son of, he's the only son of the daughter-in-law. So his mom is somebody's daughter-in-law, correct? So that means his mom is married to somebody. She's the daughter-in-law of this guy's parents. Is this clear to everyone? As soon as they bring a daughter-in-law, you know she's the mother. He is the only son of the only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law, why? Because they have only one son. As a sibling, he probably has a sister, but as boys of this generation, in this generation, he's the only man. Okay, so therefore he's the only son of theirs and therefore only daughter-in-law. So that's why the significance of only comes in. This man, he, the pointing to the man in the photograph, this man, he is the only son of the only daughter-in-law of my, so the speaker is a woman, so I am this, this woman, my only son's father. Daughter-in-law relationship is with my husband, me also, but in this particular question, it's talking about my only son's father is my husband. Is this clear to everyone? How they framed that sentence? Shall I repeat? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I repeat? Or is it clear?
Yeah. Can you
Repeat?
repeat it once again?
Yeah, sure. So we have this question, I think. Okay. So we have this question, we are pointing to this man, okay? Pointing to a man in a photograph, a woman is talking. She's saying that he is the only son of the only daughter-in-law. So for now, let's say there's this daughter-in-law and there's the son. And she's the only daughter-in-law. This is the only daughter-in-law. That means this son, whose parents are here, they probably have an only son, if it's the only daughter-in-law, and which is given here, only son. Now let's look at who my is. When the woman is talking, this is my son. I am the woman talking. My only son's father is this man. She is the daughter-in-law to this man, correct? Only daughter-in-law. And this is the son. So how is the man, this man, related to the woman, this woman?
Grandson.
Grandson, yes. Everyone gets it? This is the only son for me, for the woman talking. This is the only son. So therefore I have only daughter-in-law. For my husband, she's the only daughter-in-law, correct? My only son's father is E, and therefore, so relationship, how is the man related, this man related to this woman? A to B is grandson. How is the woman related? Grandmother.
Grandmother.
Okay, because the gender changes, right? He's the boy, so it's a grandson. This is the mother, grandmother. Okay.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.